Okay. Can you hear me? Hopefully you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Yes. I'm getting a yep, a yes, a yep. Okay. Okay. So, how's my volume? That's the question. And then how's the music volume? Is it too loud? I feel like it's too loud. My volume's good. Is the music good? Music is fine. You're a little loud. Barely hear music. Okay. Well, I don't want the music to be too loud. But I'm too loud, maybe? Turn down my gain a little bit here. Barely hear it. Okay, well, let's turn it up a little bit then, maybe? I bumped it up a bit. Don't turn it up. Alice says it's loud. Okay, well, hey guys, how's it going? How many people do we have here? 23 people? Holy. Let's, when can we playtest your game? Are you on my Discord server? Make sure you're on my Discord server. We'll probably do a playtest soon. I'm not sure when though. We used to talk 5 years ago. Don't know by the name, but maybe. I think the audio is perfect now. Okay. Let me just post in my Discord chat here for anybody that is not has forgot or anything like that. My streams are okay. Posted in my Discord. Cool. 29 viewers. Holy. 30 viewers. Oh, I gotta welcome this guy. Welcome. Okay. I love your game. Thanks. Was I in DB Hayden, sorry, Discord? Yes, I was. That was a long time ago. I remember watching Hayden. Hey, dude without a name. Have I streamed before? I'm good at this. Yeah, I guess I've streamed before. It was for the game design challenges I did, but I didn't really talk in the stream. I just like showed my screens, and I was recording it for a time lapse, so I streamed at the same time. But it was more just so my family could see what I was up to, and yeah, because I didn't really have a following then. Fix the weird gun movement, please. I'll show that off live, and because I don't think it's weird, it's just different. What time is it where you live? It is 2 p.m. here right now. I live in the EST time zone. I am one of the only people you follow on Twitter. Cool. Yeah, I don't really use Twitter that much. I just use it for, I don't really post. I just use it for browsing, I guess. Your special level design videos are awesome. Yeah, I had like a level design phase where I was just doing level designs because I liked watching them on YouTube. So I did it myself as well. And there's some of them that got a decent amount of views actually, so that's why I kept doing them, I think. But I find they're kind of misleading because I really only made the level to look good from the one view where the camera was looking. So it wasn't really a level, it was just a scene more. But the term level design just got more views on YouTube, right? Didn't give up on game dev like you did. There's always a chance to come back to it. Oh yeah, see ya, David. Do you prefer a rigid body or character controller? Well, I'm using a rigid body, so I guess rigid body. So let's actually go look at my screen now. There we are. Let's actually start by just talking about what we're going to do today. So, rigid body for the win. Yes, Tom. And we're not going to do any programming or anything because that's kind of boring and I'm not very good at streaming, so I don't know how to make that interesting. We are going to actually be working on the ship map today, I think. So making some props and placing them around the map. So I guess what we can do is we can start by kind of showing off the ship map, what I have so far. So let me start the server here. Okay. So this is the client project that you're seeing right now. And let's go into play mode here. Make her bigger so you can see. And on my other monitor is I'm running the server right now, so. Okay. And yeah, there's a few changes in the lobby as well, I guess I can show off. You now have a screen here showing what level is going to be up next, or what map. And if I go on the admin screen here, there's also this auto start. Let's change the map to the ship map here. And you see when I click auto start, you can see it starts a timer here, and basically what it'll do is when the game ends and you go back in the lobby, it'll start this timer automatically so that an admin doesn't have to start the game. It'll probably change a lot, but let's stop it here because it's going to kick us out of the scene after 120 seconds if we start it that way. So let's just go /map and ship. Boom. And here we are. Do you use Pro Builder at all? Yeah, that lobby scene is actually made with Pro Builder. But I don't use it. This scene is not made with Pro Builder. I don't really like it. I like just using Blender a lot more. What's the maximum number of players? I don't know. Ask Tom. I don't think we've tested that. But you can, in terms of a server, you can set the max amount, but I'm not sure how many players it can actually handle. I guess we'll have to see after the playtest. Looks like a small map. Yeah, this is a pretty small map. Let's start looking at it here. So where we spawned here is actually like it's supposed to be a helipad, I guess. Right now there's just this like prototype texture on stuff because I think it looks cool, and I'm still like building the basic shapes, so I just slapped on a prototype texture here. Then we also got these big containers I modeled. Okay, now let's walk down here. I think the lobby might be too small for like 20 people. Yeah, you're right. I definitely need to make a bigger lobby map. Depends on too many factors to easily say. Tom's referring to the amount of players that can play at a time. Yeah, exactly. So that's why we got to test it. And it definitely depends on the kind of game, because some games would be more resource intensive, right? And the bandwidth, yeah. Definitely what kind of machines run in the server definitely plays a factor. Okay, so now we walk through all the containers here that I'm probably going to add like some wooden planks to get up onto the second containers and stuff, and We gotta add some of that today, maybe. And then we get back to the bridge here, which is right now just a giant cube with some extrusions here. So that needs finished. And there's like a catwalk around it here. Yep. And then it brings us right to the back here where there's another few containers, and then we're right at the back. Let's fly and get an aerial view of this thing. So yeah, it's a pretty small map, but that's just the exterior. We're about to look at the interior, which is underneath the deck. The map is bigger than it looks. Yeah, like I think it'll be good for, you know, like 5v5, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Yep. Boom. Holy. No fall damage. Let's go in here. I think I might add another level to the bridge here where you can access from the catwalks here. So like another level. But I don't think I'm gonna actually make it able to get up there because I think that's too OP if you're able to, you know, go up there and snipe. Yeah, I think that's too OP. That would make the team that's on this side way overpowered. Okay, let's actually go look under the deck here now. So there's 3 ways to get below deck. So this is one of them. So it's inside of the tower here. Is this a solo project? If not, are you using Unity Collab? This is a solo project, mainly because I work on it so slowly and at such random times. Unity Collab, no, I don't use Unity Collab. I use GitHub. GitHub, where is it here? I use GitHub Desktop and I back it up to GitHub. So I do use source control, but just for myself, because I don't work on it with anybody, so it's not used for collaboration. Hey, sorry I'm late. One Shot says, hey, One Shot, what's up? Okay, yeah, and then come down the stairs here, and now we're below deck here. And if we go right here, we're immediately in what this is going to be like the engine room. So we definitely got to get some 2 big diesel engines in here today, I think. They may not look too good, but definitely some shapes at least to hide behind or cover. And also you can see these pretty ugly lights right now, but I think it works for testing purposes. But this was like the first time I did baked lighting in Unity, so I'm pretty proud of it. These are just like planes with emissive materials on them. They kind of look like overhead lights. Cool lighting, thanks. The engine room's really small. Yeah, this is the second biggest room under the ship. And if you look at engine rooms, we'll have to look at some reference photos, but engine rooms are usually pretty cramped. Like, there's usually only a little bit of movement area, and the engines take up most of it. So, feels pretty claustrophobic. Yeah, ships are claustrophobic. The ceiling may be a bit too low, maybe. We can maybe lower the floor. And then there's these hallways. There's really long, boring hallways, which I think we might need to do something about. Definitely add some pipes on the sides, and we'll have to see. But these would be some, you know, long shootouts. And I definitely thought about that and made like a bend here so that you couldn't literally shoot from all the way down there with a sniper, because that seems too OP. What other ideas do I have for maps? A good question. I don't know, I'm not very good at coming up with ideas. So definitely leave them in the Discord server in the suggestions. Okay, and coming into this middle room here, which I think is way too big right now. This is like supposed to be like the bunk room, but I think I'm gonna turn it into like the cafeteria and then maybe bunk room on the other half. What engine are you using for the lights? Unity. We're using Unity as the engine. The rendering pipeline is URP. I'm using baked lighting or light mapping. Yeah, and this goes back to the stairs right here, to the bridge and the engine room. But let's head back here. And here is a way up to the deck, and there's also one on the other side. So those are 3 of the entry points from above deck. This here is supposed to be like a storage room. And this is the hallway that connects. Yeah, we've been here before. And then all the way over here is the last staircase, which comes out below the helipad. So that this will be like the spawn for one team. They'll have immediate access to underground. And then at the halfway point, there's 2 entries to the underdeck. And then there's an entry, you know, in here for the other team to get below deck. Oh yeah. I think that's good enough for a tour, I think. Yep. Are you going to make a video on this map? Yeah, it'll definitely be shown off in my next update video. How do you handle stairs with the rigid body controller? They're actually just, if we open Blender here, they're actually just, I think it's just a mesh collider right now, which is probably not good. And there's a giant hole underneath the stairs right now, which shouldn't be the case. But I think it's just because it's a capsule, they just kind of bounce up the stairs, but I think I need to redo the collision to be a perfect slope. Because you'll notice when trying to go up like these stairs, it's kind of hard. But I just made stairs for now. I'll make these look prettier later. Is he live on Twitch? No. I did a poll on my server and most people wanted YouTube. There's 37 people here, so that's a good choice, I think. LS managed to fix his issue. I'm assuming you're talking about Firebase. Cool. Will this video be available after the streaming? Yeah, if you want it to, I might upload it to my channel as a live stream. What template are you using? What do you mean by template? You mean for Unity? The render pipeline is URP. I guess that's the template, I think. Ladders? Yeah, maybe. Although ladders in video games are usually pretty janky. Because if you have to make them go into an animation, then you can't shoot, right? And if you just kind of float up and down, it looks kind of janky. What map do you make? I'm making a ship map. Baked lights are real time. So scenes here, ship. So everything above the deck is real time, using this directional light as the real time, and then everything under the ship. So basically, this object here, this ship inside object, is all being baked with light mapping. And you can see if I go to the lighting here, you can see it's got the light map texture. Now don't ask me too many questions about this because I don't really know how it works. I literally just use it for the first time. So okay, let's go into Blender and actually do something. So this is what it looks like in Blender. Let's turn off the bridge, let's turn off the ship hull, and this is actually, oh, and the landing pad. This is actually like the floor plan in above view, which you can see in Blender. You use Roblox Studio for their games? Yeah, I've heard good things about it. It has a lot of like pre-made things. Is it that COD map? I've actually never really played Call of Duty, but yeah, somebody told me that there's like a ship map from COD. Okay, so where should we start? Should we start in the storage room or like the engine room? Or should we start in the bunk room here in the middle? Actually, I know one thing that I need to do. Where is it here? There's there's a doorway that needs finished. This doorway right here. Okay, hopefully I don't make you dizzy in Blender here. Okay, so how was I doing this here? Anywhere. You should only render stuff on the inside that's so it saves polygons. I think you mean like culling? Occlusion culling? Yeah, I'm doing that. How did I make these doors? How did I make these doors? I did these like 2 weeks ago. I think I did this. And I like extruded on the Y. No. Why is it doing that? Extrude on the Y. Why is it going left? Scale. Extrude scale on the Y. There we go. Yeah, bring it in about that much. Delete this face. Face. Delete this face. Wait, how did I get it to come down then? You know what? I think I extruded. Undo. Is that undone? Nope. Undo. Yeah. I think I did all the sides. Or no, I think I did. Sorry. I think I did the top and the 2 sides. So extrude, scale on the Y. There we go. This is what I did. And then I pulled this down. There we go. Yeah, that looks like what I did. Good, about the same height. And then I did some stuff on the bottom here to fix it up. Delete face. Delete face. Delete face. Okay. Hey man. How am I? I'm good. Looks like you beveled the edges. Yep, I definitely did that here. We'll get to that. But I think I need to delete this face as well. Faces, delete faces, and then rebuild it here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Texture's not going to look good for a minute here. Boom. And then rebuild it over here as well. Boom, boom. There we go. Now, how do I UV projection? There you go. That fixes the UVs. Okay, now, like you said, the bevel's here, so we got to grab. Boom, 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 boom. And B. No, not B for bevel. What's the bevel shortcut? I don't know. Let's just use this. That look about right. Looks about right. There you go. Now we got more of a shippy doorway here as well. Although, it looks kind of weird at that staircase like that. This actually looks kind of weird. Let's just move it out a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Scale on the Y. There you go. That's too much scale on the Y. That'll have to do. Control B for bevel. Yep, that's it. B is just box select. Okay, see you, Dave. Okay, we got that doorway done. Now, let's start with the engine room, I guess. So, what goes in an engine room here? Ship, engine room. Yeah, see, they look pretty cramped, don't they? I don't think we want ours to be that cramped. But I think I want like two of these big guys. Make an engine model. Yeah, we should probably do that. Oh, make one of these big guys. Well, 2 of them. duplicate it. Big pipes would be cool. These engine rooms are way higher, you're right. Mega ships. Oh yeah, well, when in doubt, start with a box. Are you going to add a domination game mode? Remind me, what is domination? Add cube. Get this prototype material on it. When in doubt, start with a box. Yeah, the default cube. Everything comes from the default cube. You're going to see I'm literally going to just import a box into Unity to just get the scale right in a minute, so. Oh wait, I get the zoom position correct here. There we go. Scale on the Y. Engine. File, export, FBX. Multiplayer game. Assets, models, ship map, ship all, selected objects, apply transform, export. Boom. There's a giant box in Unity now. Hey out, rodent, rodette. What's up? Not much. We're modeling some props for the ship map. Back in Blender. Let's actually make this thing look more like an engine here. So let's look at our reference again here. What was that? There was a good photo there. This one. So it's got like a main middle part and then it kind of slopes down and then... Okay. So... do that. Do that, cut it right in half. Get rid of these edges, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Delete. Vertices, bye-bye. And then rebuild it here. Bring these guys up a bit. These guys are gonna need a bit of a bevel. Control B. Why do I have, there we go. And fix the UVs again. Kind of looks like a barn right now. An awesome engine model. Looks more like a barn right now. It's gotta get, we gotta get some bevels in here too. Bevel, Control B. Not that strong though. Get here, here. Scale on the X. Boom. This here is also gonna need some more depth. It's too flat right now. How did you manage animations with the networking solution from Tom Wayland? Magic. No, basically you just gotta send all the animation information across the network to all the clients and then plug that into the animator. You can ask on my Discord server if you want more specifics. You can save it in Blender and it automatically changes in Unity? Question mark. No, I exported it. See, I select everything that I need to export. I went File, Export, FBX, Export. It's pretty quick once you have everything selected, and then you throw into Unity, and because it's an already existing model, it just overwrites. See, it's gonna look terrible because I gotta bake the lighting for it to actually look good, but. Are the engine room area lights? They're planes with emissive materials on them. And the emissive materials actually emit light when you bake the lights. So you just kept the same name? Yeah. It's this ship hull. Should probably rename it because it's more than just the ship hull now. It's the entire ship. But I basically select all these things in Blender and they're all underneath the ship hull model. Looks nice, thanks. Loan. Okay, let's look at a reference here. Yeah, see, it comes out a little bit here. So yeah, we definitely gotta add that for the depth here. Let's mirror this bad boy. Vertex. Complete vertices. Ah, half my model's gone. Then I can go modifier, add modifier, mirror, boom, on the Y. Yeah, there we go. Everything I do over here will happen over there. So, let's look at that reference again. What the heck am I doing here? Yeah, it comes out right about there. So we can literally just grab these bad boys and extrude. Bring this edge down a bit. Actually bring these 2 points down a bit too, I think. Boom, boom, boom. Actually, let's not bring these down, maybe. I need some of these big chunk thingies that are on it. I guess it's like they're all attached, but different styles, I guess. Actually, let's not do that. Let's just add a cube here. Add another cube. Scale her down. Scale her in. And let's actually scale the whole thing. Shoot it up. Bring it in sideways. No, that looks kind of weird. It's definitely like, it's definitely scaled this way more. Scale on the Y. Yeah, there we go. And there's definitely a bevel here. There we go. These guys don't look good either. Round it on this side. Scale on Y. Boom. Boom. Bring this guy up. Doesn't need to be that far in. Boom, 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 boom. Shuffle them all over. That looks about good. Okay, that's looking more like something. Now let's rotate. I just duplicated them. Boom. Go to this. Do it exactly. Oh, what did I just do? Negative? Oh, that didn't work. Oh, this is not, sorry, local is what we want. There we go. Coolidge. Maybe delete the two things in the middle and instead have pipes coming out. What two things? These two? Definitely looks like some sort of pipe connecting all these bad boys. So let's like make a pipe. Actually, what am I doing here? Let's also, oh, it's not gonna let me mirror it this way. Ah, this is annoying. Knife tool. Oop. Oop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a pipe along the back of them, connect them all together. Ah, half my model's gone. We're gonna mirror it also on the X. There we go. Now we don't have to do as much work. Let's put a pipe connecting, like on the back of this, connecting all these together, because it looks like there's kind of like a pipe here connecting them all together. Let's do that. So let's place our cursor here and let's get in a cylinder. Add cylinder. Way too many sides right now. Bring her down to how low pulley 6. Oh wait, it's huge. Scale. Yeah, that looks good. 6 sides is good. Dang. What is the dang for? Rotate on X 90. Right against it here. There we go. Let's actually get this stuff out of view here. Get out of my view, out of my view, out of my view. There we go. Much better. I'm not gonna be clipping in things. Go. And just bring it right to 0 on Y. Go. And delete that base because it's going to be inside. There we go. We got a pipe connecting all those guys up. I left the stream for a second. He came back and got this much done. Yeah, modeling happens pretty quick. Probably going a little bit slower because I'm streaming, but I've been modeling for a while. Oh, that is not right. That looks weird. What did I click? Not project from view. Cube projection. I think that looks like starting to look like an engine now. There's definitely need to put something along here. So what's going to go along here there? Stavik. I'm going to get in so much trouble for not pronouncing names properly. AI has to go to sleep. See ya. Okay. There's like a big box here that we can put there. But what's like on the side here? Like panels. These are like doors. So like I'm thinking like a panel with like a cylinder on it maybe. Let's try that. So when in doubt, add a cube. Cube. Scale. Scale on the X. Delete the interior face because we don't need it. Scale on those two axes, scale on the X. Bring it actually bigger. I think they line up with these engine block thingies, so let's try and do that. We should bring it all. Hey, my name. You said you didn't pronounce my name correctly. When you do sound for this map, you should add engine sounds in the room, definitely. Kind of like the waterfall in the biomap. Yep. I gotta get I have like a footstep sound system, but I need to redo it because it sucks. And we definitely need some like metal footstep sounds when we're in underground or in under the deck. Yeah. Okay, let's add a cylinder here. 6 sides, scale down. Rotate on the Y, 90. Rotate on the Z, 35 degrees? No, not the Z. Rotate on the X. 35. No, it's not 35. 30. That looks about right. So this thing's facing right up. Scale on the X. Get rid of the interior face because we don't need it. It's just a waste of geometry. Give it a little bit more of a unique shape. Too much. Doesn't look right. It's not perfectly rotated. Maybe it's just the lines. Wait, let's fix the UV first. UV projection. Now let's make more of these. In low poly, you don't really have to be perfect. You can kind of just guess stuff. You don't have to be like, oh, it's exactly lined up. Well, maybe you should be, but I don't. I kind of just wing it. And it looks okay. Did you make your gun system with raycast or actual bullets? It's raycast based right now, not physics or projectile based. Prisoner cells in the ship. Cargo ship with prisoner cells. I mean, I guess it depends on what part of the world this cargo ship's in, but I don't think that's makes sense. Okay, that's definitely added some more depth to this side here. Definitely. Okay, let's get these things. Something going on with this better. Let's just add a box. Just add a box. Way better. Actually, we're gonna have to wait until after the mirror to do that. Can I play the game? Razor, not yet. You have to join my Discord server and be active there, and when we do a playtest, you can probably join. Okay, what's next? Gotta put something over here. I think I should go there. Can't really see what's there. Looks like some cylinders. A box of some sort. It's like, how do these engines actually... Like, there's gotta be a shaft coming out of them, right? Yeah, there's definitely a big shaft coming out one side. Big pipes. Let's wrap this pipe around here. And I think this side's towards the back, so let's make like a big like cylinder come out of the back, which is like the drive shaft. Free the prisoners game mode. Prison Break Minecraft games. Yes, definitely. What was that called? I forget what it was called. It was called Cops and Robbers, I think. Right? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, Michaela. Sorry if I wrecked your name. We are modeling props for the ship map that I'm working on for my multiplayer game. Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's make this pipe wrap around like into here. Come out a little bit more here, then let's like extrude. Rotate on the Z, 45. Oh, wrong way. Rotate on the Z, negative 45. It's gonna look wonky for a minute here, but we'll fix her up. Rotate on the Z, negative 45. It's gonna look wonky. Stick with me. Extrude. Rotate on the Z. 45. No. Negative 45. Extrude. Z. Extrude. Okay, now let's fix her up. Delete base. Let's fix her up here. Definitely way too far out, so let's fix that. That's better. Okay. Now, what's up with this here? Done pipes before. How the heck did I do them though? I think I went like this. Just kind of gradually brought them in here. What's the top? There we go. There we go. Much better curve. Actually, let's just not do that. That's a bad idea. Let's do this. There we go. There you go. Much better. Crazy Cat's here. Hello. Will the color change? Definitely. This is just prototype texture because it looks cool and it lets you see depth easier. Will I ever stream video games? Probably not. Because that's not really what my channel is about. It's about making video games. Maybe though, we'll see. Thanks for the tutorials. Yeah, no problem. Not very good at it, I don't think, but I thought something like Firebase, it was good to share my knowledge on it. At least what I know about it. Welcome back, Tornado. Fly has to go. Okay, bye. Thanks for joining. Okay, we got pipes curving in here on both sides, I think. Yeah, that's the magic of the mirror modifier. Let's put this on silent. Okay, now get this shaft coming out the back, and for that, let's apply the mirror modifier. Holy, look at all those vertices. So much for low poly, huh? Still looks low poly though. We're good. Okay. Add a cylinder. Let's bring it up to 8 sides for this one because it's bigger. Rotate on the X90. Oh, not that way. Scale. Sorry, I'm looking at my Discord for a minute. Everything's good there. Okay, let's get this big engine shaft going here. Let's delete this interior face. Oh, what just happened? Delete face. Hey, let's get this guy coming out here. Scale. So it's gonna come out a bit, and then we'll go extrude, scale her down. Right, like that. Extrude. Big. Scale her down. Oh, extrude and scale her down. Oh, yeah, make some interesting shapes with the textures there. And then extrude. And then, I don't know, let's see where that goes in the map. Let's export everything now. Turn everything back on. Yeah, it's definitely not near the back. We've got to make like a box here or something. Oof, looking much cooler now. Coolidge. I don't think we should add too much more because it's low poly. Maybe let's add like a box here on either side. And something here because this is too flat. And then I think we gotta add like a something here, which is like where the drive shaft goes. What's going on in the chat here? What did I use to texture the crates? What do you mean by crates? Engine is great, thanks. Pretty cool stuff going on here. That's cool to know. What do you mean by crates there? The shipping containers. Oh. What did I use to texture them? They're not textured, they're just straight model, which, you know, might be bad because there's lots of UVs, but I think it's okay because it's low poly and there's only I say a few, but there's not too many shipping containers. But let's look at it in Blender then. Container. Yep, there it is. And then it's just a material with the same texturing system I use for my weapons, where it's like a color palette. The editor. Material. I can drag in, oh, I don't want this container to be red anymore. Obviously you would put an actual color, let's make it black. Right, let's undo that. And then I can just swap out this texture in Unity. It's much easier than having to edit colors. And then you can use the same material for all of them, you just have to swap out the texture, right? It's a method, I don't know if it's the most efficient or anything, but my texturing system's kind of messed up. Because like my valley map, all of it is just general materials, which, because I was lazy and just made everything materials. This one I kind of want to, that's why I'm waiting off on the texturing and making everything the default prototype texture here, is so that I can come and do it properly, hopefully. With proper texture stuff. Will I stream more often now? We'll have to see. I'm a busy guy. School takes a lot of my time. But maybe, we'll see. On the weekends, maybe, but we'll see. I thought I'd do it because I got a whole Christmas break and I wasn't working on a devlog, and I was just trying to make progress on the game, so I'm like, let's do a stream to actually give some content to my channel. We have 20 people still here right now, which I'm pretty awesome to see, so 20 people are interested at least. Usually when I watch game dev streams, I'm not paying attention the whole time anyways, because I'm usually doing game dev in the background. I just like listening to them talk, and they play some tunes for me. Okay, let's get this. Did we look at this in Unity? I'm getting distracted. I don't know what I'm doing. We need to get a box here. We need to get something here. Let's start by making a giant box right here. Add a cube. Center it. 0. And there we go. Cube. Get this looking a little bit better. Bevel, Control B. Wait, is that model live updating in Unity? No, it's not. Yeah, I just do it so quick. So this is what I do. I select all the models, Control Save, Export, FBX, and I just have this ship hull. I should really rename it. And I just continue overriding that model, and everything in this game object is part of it, part of that model, and just updates instantly. Now, you should probably separate it into smaller models, but I either won't do it because I'm lazy, or you can do it later. But for actually, you know, prototyping, it's nice to have it all in one model. So then you can just quickly export to see it update in Unity. Whoa, just move the whole map. Okay, we got this ugly looking box here. Extrude this into the exterior of the map. Delete this face. Delete this face. Actually, let's just leave that face in case that one can be deleted. I think you guys are right. We really need. I think we need to mess with the ceiling here. How much room do we have to work with? No room. So let's instead lower the floor. This is gonna be a pain, but let's see if it works out. And then I think we, oh yeah, here. So I think we lower the floor, and then we have, I just pointed to my screen like you can see me. But let's have like a few like steps right here. And then if you look in like these reference images, they got like scaffolding around the engine, right? So yeah. So I'm thinking like we kind of make it maybe come up a little bit here, and then I'm imagining this in my head, but And then there'll be like a little bit of an up step here and then a platform that's a little bit higher on the engine, because if you look at this reference here, like you can't see the lower part of the engine. Anyways, our music just stopped. Whoa. That's good right there, I think. Let's pull down the engine. Get out of here. Let's get out of here. Get out of here, ship hall, ship inside. There we go. Get this engine all selected. And move her down. There we go. Whoa, okay, no, I want to extrude. Sorry, this one I don't want to extrude, but these ones I do. This one can just move down. There we go. Okay. That was an ugly box. Holy. Okay, that definitely looks like an engine. I think it's a little bit too small, maybe. It's just a good scale up. That's maybe too much. Okay. Let's literally just do this. Yeet. 1, 2, 3, Control C. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh wait, I know what I have to do. I have to do this. Control Shift D is so, and then bring it down here. And we just go P separate, and then we go. There we go. Now we have a separate thing. And what is the magic thing? What is it? Control Alt. What is it to recenter the origin? Cursor to origin. Origin. There we go. Origin to center of mass volume. There we go. Stairs. But let's just make this part of the interior. Control J. Nope. Control J. I don't even know why I bother centering that, because I just added it to another object. I don't know if you answered this question already, but will you code today? No, probably not. I don't think that'll be that interesting. I don't know. Do you think it'll be interesting? Let me know. Do you think it's interesting to watch me code? You think? Okay. Maybe then. Not today, though. I wasn't really planning on it today. The next thing I need to work on is the next game mode, which is going to be capture the flag, which involves coding. Okay, we got our ugly little steps here. Yes, very. What's yes, very? Interested in coding? Or what's yes, very? Whoa, way too far. Here, I'll actually figure out what this distance is. There we go. Extrude. So I think I want like a little, I'm just gonna say staircase over this. I don't know if the dude's gonna fit between here though, we'll have to test it. Get out of here, ship inside. Whoa, oh wait, never mind, can't do that because that's a part of the ship inside. UV, Q projection. Okay, let's get some more staircase in here. This down. Leave this. Shift D and the one on the other side over there. Oh, apparently that is not symmetric. Where's this located? Oh, not A's. Oh. There we go. I've seen some awful ones. With the progress of your game, I assume that at least understanding the area of coding and you do it to a good standard. Yeah, I think I understand coding. I've been doing it for a while. I'm doing school on coding. But even in this last year, I've learned so much, and I look at my code and I'm like, why, Path Zippy, why did you do that? So, I don't know. Anyways, something like that. And then stuff back here. Problem with coding stream is that program requires a lot of more focus, definitely. At least when you're solving anything more than a basic problem, and that's hard to balance with reading chat, definitely. And I feel like I would be just staring into the abyss, thinking, like Tom said, because, and or Googling things, because coding is just efficient Googling for a lot of people, including myself. And I don't know if that'll be that interesting, but maybe it will be. Yeah, I'm having a hard time holding my train of thought just doing this. Yeah, Tom did a modeling stream. Tom, we need another stream. I'm pretty sure you got like a better mic, a better webcam for Christmas. Yeah. Sitting there while you're thinking about a problem would be strange. Yep, definitely. Okay, I think that looks good. So yeah, this is like catwalk around the engine, which I think looks cool. I just gotta add these posts now. And I kind of wanna get the scale right that you can crouch under here, I think. Maybe. I don't think that's enough room. I might be wishful thinking there, but we'll have to see. But let's put it in Unity, I guess, and check it out here. Back on. Oop. There we go. Let's do a quick Shift D and put it on the other side as well, because we're gonna get 2 engines in this bad boy. And same with the scaffolding. Boom, boom, oop. Boom, boom, boom. Ah! Boom, boom, boom. Shift D. I'm assuming this is not going to line up. Ah, nope. Okay, well, let's line it up manually. Oh, and let's scale on the X. -1? Yeah. Actually, I bet you it would have lined up perfectly after the scale. Nope. Nope, it does not. Let's try and eyeball it. Right about there. Sure, that looks good. And select everything. Sorry, I'm not sure actually if you have to turn it all on, but engine 2 or engine. What is this? This is the left engine, right. Grab all these things: landing pad, ship, bridge, hull, pad side. Export. Open to Unity. I can give it a try. Yeah, I might give it a try. Holy, lighting is like, what the heck is going on here? And yeah, lighting is going crazy here. These stairs are inside out. Those ones are good. So I gotta fix the normals on. Fix the normals on this side. Fix the normals here. Select this. Why did I actually? I had it all selected. There we go. Normal. Recalculate normals. There we go. Select it all again. Exporter again. Blender. Why is Uni not open? There we go. Okay, let's bake the lighting. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. What else do we need to add to the scene? Suggestions in chat. Come on, what else do we need? We got the 2 big engines now. Now we gotta put some other stuff in this room. I'm thinking pipes. What are we thinking? The stream is the stream? It's probably lagging because I'm baking. Hopefully it's still going. I just realized. Engine control station. Pipes, tables, wires on the ground, outlets. I don't know if we have to get that detailed. I noticed in like, let me open this. Open image. I noticed like, see this wall here? Whoa. How there's like extruded parts in the walls. I definitely need to add that, like structural beams coming outward. Fans, cooling. Yes. Cooling. Is that what these big things are? I think that's what these things are. Yeah, this is definitely like cooling stuff. Oh, is that what this big thing is here? Okay, I need to add like an air intake or something. Edges of the ceiling. Stream is definitely lagging. Yeah, is it done? It's done. There we go. Now it looks nice though. Okay, I probably shouldn't bake it on stream anymore. Yeah, I got like the warning here that it was lagging, but I think it's done now. Okay, let's go check this out here. Scenes, main menu. I just want to see if I can fit, if I'm wishful thinking and able to fit underneath the stuff. Is the server running? Sorry. Yeah, yeah, it's running. Join. There we go. Slash give one. What do you guys think of the weapon bobbing? That's another thing that I changed. Script based now instead of animation based. I think that's good. Okay. The scale is definitely off. I need to make these wider. Holy, the scale is definitely looks wrong. These definitely need to be bigger, holy. That's why you open her up and test her. Oh, and I know, the collisions aren't on the server yet. Nice Tesla. Oh, you're my background. Ha. Scale is definitely off, so we have to fix that. These engines need to be bigger. I say we bring the floor down even more. These need to be wider. Because I'm definitely wishful thinking for crouching underneath that. Why do those materials look? Why do the engines look so bright? I think it's because they have a different material. Maximize. Models. Ship map. Ship all. Ship prototype material. Ship prototype material. Huh. I wonder why. Oh, I know why. Because they're not static. There we go. But we're not baking the lighting again, so you're going to have to deal with the bad lighting. Really like the lighting in the ship. Thank you. New bazooka. You want a bazooka? Scenes. Ship. Scale is definitely off. This needs to be static. These both need to be static. Save that. Okay. Just destroy this this one. Because definitely need to make some big changes here. Delete. Did you make the sounds? What sounds? The shooting sounds? No. Pretty sure I found them on freesounds.org, maybe? I pulled them from my old game, actually, I think, so I don't know where I got them. This, bring this down, not this stuff, just that. Get rid of the ship inside, ship hull. Crap, I can't get rid of the ship inside because that's part of the scaffolding. But we can make this wider. Hello. Hello, Duek Dev. How's it going? Oh, these stairs definitely need moved out. Boop, boop, boop. Down a bit. Over. Boom, boom, boom. Let's move this out. Some scaffolding down, or poles for the scaffolding here. Add cube, scalar down. Scalar on the Z. Okay. Like that. Do a good old copy here. Okay, let's get all these on the other side now. Boom, 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 boom. Shift D over here. Oh god. Do you play any games? Yeah. What have I played recently? Obviously Unturned. Not Unturned. Among Us. The heck did I say Unturned for? Among Us. Minecraft. Here and there. I used to play a lot of first-person shooters like Rainbow Six Siege, CSGO, but not recently. Projection. Looking at Google Cloud Hosting the other day, and the free tier might be enough to test with 1 to 5 people depending on the game. I know it's like free until a certain amount of usage. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for hosting for the test yet. Distracted by my Discord. Okay. I'm going to raise these ceilings as much as I can. Which is pretty much nothing, I'm pretty sure. That's just a right there. Yeah, it's simpler. It's similar to Firebase, free up to a certain amount of usage. Yep. Pretty sure it's the same thing for a lot of their products. Google is pretty good that way. And I even have like a limit set on my, like on the paying system. It's basically set to $0, so it'll stop my Firebase stuff if it starts costing money, basically. For testing, at least right now. Okay. So what the heck do we have other things to add here? Pipes, control station, computers, wires in the ground, outlets, fans, cooling. Oh yeah, the cooling stuff. So let's do that. There's definitely some cooling thing coming out of here. Add cube. Whoa, big cube. Maybe like big cooling vent thing here. One of the YouTube related categories is Blender. A space station map? Yeah, that's a cool idea. Space station? I like space. Bring this down. Let me look at that reference again. Oh, there's a big circle vents. What the heck? UV key projection. Extrude. To nowhere. Let's just like have this go like, I don't know, let's do this and then like come over here and like go. Seem like it like goes into the ceiling or something. Control B. There you go. That vent goes into the ceiling. Oh no, UV. Okay. What is this looking like in Unity here? Unity. Open. That's looking better. The scaffolding looks more to scale. Oh. Oh no. We're like under the water. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get the water not to clip inside. Let's just move it down for a minute. Okay. Okay, let's get some other stuff in here. Right in the middle here. Let's like put like a control area here maybe. Add a cube. Flies back. Engine control. Give it the prototype material. Let's get this guy right in the middle. Why the heck? No, not the cursor. This object. Transform right in the middle. Or not. I guess that's not the middle. X. Oh. Extrude scale on the X. Boy, those look really bad when texture doesn't wrap properly. Trying to make like a control booth here. Let's fix this texture. Okay. Room control. Yeah, definitely. Ships are like old kind of looking. A lot of ships. Oh, and look all these like stuff. But I'm kind of imagining like this kind of stuff. Stuff that's like in the engine room, yeah. This kind of, it's like an older ship. Okay. Let's get this scale on the Y. Let's kind of get a straight edge. And let's extrude this stuff up. Maybe bring these out a little bit. Too much. Do you think you're gonna do stream more? I don't know. I'm busy a lot with school, so right now I'm on break, so I decided to stream, but we'll see. We'll have to see. If there's interest, maybe I will. Oh yeah, this is looking kind of dumb right now, so let's try and make it look better. Everything looks dumb at the start though. So we gotta get some knobs in here, but like low poly, so I'm thinking like just literally a cube. I mean, it's worth it to try to search low poly ship engine control, but nothing's showing up. That's It's too high polar still. I don't know, let's just put some stuff. Let's put some stuff. Hope it looks good. So let's like, oh, I want a dial right here. Add a cylinder with 6 sides. Scale her down. Rotate on the X, 90. Rotate on the X so it looks about the same. Scale on the, oh, let's put this in normal. Scale on the, oh no, scale on the Y. Oh wait, sorry, in normal you have to do this. And is it local? No, it's normal. Pull her in. Normal. Scale. Yeah, it's definitely not right. I gotta do it before I rotate it. I know there's a way to do it properly, but I don't know how. Get it to scale proportional to the way it's rotated, but I don't know how. I forget. Let's just do it before I rotate it. Scale on the Y. Rotate on the X now. Here we go. Rotate on the X. Which grade are you in? I'm in university. I'm in 2nd year studying software engineering. Okay, we got ourselves a gauge. D. More gauges. Nope, come out. Boom, boom, boom. Back. Go. There's some gauges. I really wish I knew how to. Does anybody know how to scale proportional to the way that you're rotated? Is it this one? Local. Scale. No, it's not that one. Nope, that's definitely not it. Yeah, they both have to be that. Scale. Nope. Local. I don't know what I'm doing for that. Riley. Hello, Riley. Okay. Got some gauges. Let's get like some screens or something here. Add cube. Go down. Rotate on the X. Go. Actually, you know what would look better? Would it look better? I think it'll look better to actually inset into this. I think it'll look better if it's actually inset into this. So let's do that. Okay. Bye, I gotta go have a nice stream. See ya. What you modeling? Props for the engine room on my ship map. I don't think we're gonna get past the engine room today because it's taking longer than I thought while streaming. But that's fine, I think. Okay, so now we can actually, we can inset these 2 monitors. So extrude. Yeah, so we can inset it like this, scale it, scale, where do I set? I set that, individual origin, scale, extrude, and then scale. And now they look like actually inset. Make cool looking control panel. Trying to. Ship engine room control panel. Here we got some screens, we got some dials, we gotta get some stuff on this here. Add cube, scalar down there. Whoa. Add cylinder, scale down, rotate on the X, rotate on the Y, I mean 90, scale on the X, scale on the Y, 8. I don't know what this is. Some cool control thingy, my Bob. No, it's supposed to be like this. Did I see it like this thingy maybe? Oh, that's for like driving. It's a dial. It's a cool looking dial. Yep. Q projection. Okay. Actually just duplicate this. Scale it on the X. Put it over here. This is like the keyboard. Yeah. Scale on the Y. Keyboard thingy. These are old computers, so there's no mouse. Okay. Come on, this thing. Add a cylinder. Scale it down. Rotate on the X. This is like gonna be a bigger one. It's a big dial, or big meter. I don't know. UV Q projection. Oh yeah. Scale is probably wrong on that, but we can fix it. Physical dial with animations would look cool. It's getting kind of complicated there. Add a cube. That's a curve. Cube. What is this? It's just like engine storage console thingy. Just the middle here for now and turn it into something. Probably some like storage containers or something later. Something to give cover here in the middle. So I think that's good. That's going to give some good cover. Okay, let's copy this. Shift D. Scale on the X, -1. And then we should just be able to do this. And now it's over here. Should be able to do the same thing with this thing here, the scaffolding. L, everything. Fuel tanks. Barrels. Oil barrels. Fuel tanks and ships are usually like big rooms that are even lower in the deck though, I think. We can get some barrels in here, I think, actually. That would be good. Come on. Oh boy, these are a lot of things to select here. Come on, get all these. Get all the pillars, I think so. Shift D. Scale on the X, -1. Move it to the other side. Ah, definitely not lined up with the engine. Scale on the X, -1. What? The stairs didn't move to the other side. Okay, that scaling thing isn't working. I thought it would, so I just gotta move them. It only works if it's an object, maybe. Those stairs are definitely too close to that. I'll have to mess with that. Figure out how that's gonna work. The heck? Where'd you see 180 or 90? Oh, I know why. I know why it's not working. I'm in individual origins. Need active elements. Rotan Z 180. Ah, crap. Okay, wait. Where the heck am I? There we go. Undo everything I just did. Okay. Select everything. Oh no, go back to where I actually had everything selected. There we go. Scale on the X, -1. There we go, I did it. It's just, crap. I have more than that selected. What else do I have selected? I have something else selected, I think. Median point. Oh, that's why. Okay. Scale on the X, -1. There we go. Now move it all over so that's lined up. Boy, that was harder than it needed to be. There we go. This stake needs to move to the middle. It's about the middle. Someone gets a 30 kill streak, they can blow up the engines, like the nuke in COD. Super weapons, I don't know if I want that, I don't think I want that. Yes, I'm still live. Probably won't go too much longer. Add a little bit more to this room, and then I think that'll be good. It's looking good so far. 0, 0. The vents all go in here. Let's put this in Unity and see how it looks. Engine left. Engine control. Definitely feeling cramped, but we'll see how it looks in Unity. Engine control, left, right, storage. File export, FBX, export. And boom. The storage container, oh there it is, just inside out. Yeah, these things definitely are, oh man, that is really cramped. Why is that so cramped? Let's shove everything back. Oh my gosh. Let's shove these two into the wall, because we can. Yeah, we can do that. And then what we can do is we can grab this here. 1, 3. Grab all this by vertices. And we can shove it all back. Yeah, this would be good. Shove it all back. Let's see. There we go. There we go. And we can just fix these legs. Positions here. Oh, we're gonna get them all. A ship map that looks cool. Thanks. Slowly but surely it'll look better. Tweaks. After lots of tweaks it'll look good, I think. File, export, FBX. Export. See it update in Unity? Yeah, there, that's less cramped, right? That's less cramped. Still kinda cramped a little bit, but a lot less cramped. This storage thingy is way too thick. May not even want it here. I don't know, let's just keep it there for a minute. We may not want it there, we'll see. I want to add some like rivet things on the walls here. And maybe some pipes, and then I think we'll call it a day. I really want to rebake this lighting, but it's going to make the stream lag, so we can't. So let's check out scale. Actually, let me show you how I get the colliders over to the server here. So let's go back to the ship map here. This ship map here, let's make sure everything that's static needs to be static. All this stuff, left, right, storage, so all needs to be static. Static, ship hull. Right, those guys aren't lighting static because they're outside, but all this stuff's inside. Let's move up these lights a little bit. Now, this is how so this right here, this ship map is like a prefab. So I can apply all to that prefab. And then if I go to prefabs, maps, and I go to ship map here, this is how I get it over to the server for colliders. So I right click on it and export package. And it's literally going to bring everything, that's fine. Export, and I go to my game server assets, prefabs, maps, ship map, save, yes, override it. And then if I bring my server project over here, let's stop it here. So the ship map. And and let's see, that's not the engine room. This is the engine room, and when I now go to my prefabs, maps, and then I load in this asset pack thing that I exported from the client project, you see everything magically, boom, pops up. And it's as easy as that. Ship map, and I just have just mesh colliders on everything right now, I think. Let's see. Yep. And which is fine for now. I'll go through them and probably make just box colliders for all this stuff eventually, but for now, for testing, it's fine like this. So now the collisions are good. Let's boot it up again so we can go test in it. Go to my main menu, save the scene, play. Let's go see what we did. Join. Oh, what the heck? You just crashed. RIP. Was that the client build or? That was my client build. I'm using Unity 2020.2, which definitely isn't perfect yet. Oh, it's not moving the ship around. RIP Unity, yep. And we're back. Please don't crash again. I don't know why I did. Kind of random. There we go. Didn't crash this time. Join the server. And we're in the lobby again. / map. Valley. Or not Valley. So used to typing that. Ship. The anticlimactic to all your hard work, yep. Okay. Let's fly over there quickly. Lighting's all messed up, but / fly. Okay, that's looking better. Definitely not fitting under there for crouching. Oh yeah, the colliders are all good. Can't fit over here. You can when you crouch. I think that's okay. If you crouch, you can fit over that. What about up here? Can't go up there. This console's too high, for sure. Gotta lower that. The normals on that are broken. Console's definitely too high. I feel like a midget. Well, the character basically is a midget. Oh, he has no head. Okay, so I think we gotta add some like the support riveting that I was talking about in that photo to the sides here. It'll add a lot, and maybe some pipes, and then that'll be good for like the prototype of the room. Fix this console here. Oh, and maybe some barrels. Those would be quick though. Yep. Man, the engines are so detailed. I feel like scaffolding is then so boring. The lighting looks really bad, holy. Okay, let's fix this console here. It's way too high. That's better. And also recalculate normals on that. And let's, what are we doing to the scale on the X? Just, I don't know what this is. What else did we need to do? I think that was all the fixes. Okay, so rivets here. Let's do add cube, scale on the x, y I mean, scale on the x too. Make secret Easter egg on console. Only chat will know about it. On the console, like what? Do like Easter eggs though. There's Easter eggs in most of my Game Jam games, so yeah, should definitely be Easter eggs in this game too. It's gonna add definitely a lot of depth to the walls here. Little sounds or something. Maybe sounds. Our music is dead again. Hit on Z90 and into the wall. There. One right here. Yeah, that definitely adds to the walls, makes them a lot less boring. And not really much cover, but I was gonna say and adds cover, but not really. Here. When do I talk to myself when I do Unity stuff? Maybe when I'm trying to solve a problem, trying to talk through the solution, but not usually. Do you? You do? You talk to yourself? Yeah, I don't think it's not normal, it's just some people do that. Duplicate this and put it right in the middle. Okay. What is the best, Unity or Blender? Well, they're two different tools. Blender is the best for modeling. Unity is probably better for game as a game engine. I guess Blender is a game engine too, but I don't think it's really the best one. Put your hand like you're thinking, like Tom. Don't kill me, Tom. Okay. The Easter egg, if you are the broom for long, the blue screen of death comes on one of the displays. Okay. I use Unity to create my first FPS game, multiplayer. Cool. This is my second first-person multiplayer game. I made another one with Unit, but it's pretty terrible. You can download it, it's on my website. Pretty bad, though. Okay, rivets on the walls are done. Okay, now, well, let's really quickly just make a barrel. This is literally take 2 seconds. It's a cylinder. Add mesh cylinder. Let's maybe give it 8. 8? 6. 8. Yeah, let's give it 8. Remember, there's our barrel. Really all it is, though. Is that about the size of a barrel? I don't know. What are these called? Oil drum. It's not a barrel, it's an oil drum, sorry. But let me just see what the style is in locally. Low poly oil drum. I think it should be a little shorter. There we go, this is better. I need to make it more like this. So it has those bands and then, right, yeah, circle for the, yeah, that's what I want. A little bit shorter. Scale down. Get off to the side here, scale it down, straight it up. There we go. Scale X. Epic barrel explosive. Maybe. Probably not this map. It doesn't really make sense to blow up inside of a ship, but extrude, scale. There we go, that's looking a lot better. That's looking a lot better. Okay, gotta get my UVs fixed here. And I'm just gonna, instead of placing them in Blender, because it's a smaller prop, not really like a large permanent prop, and I probably could use it in other maps. I'm going to. I'm also going to, sorry, extract this down. Because a smaller prop, I'm just gonna export one into Unity as a separate object, and then I can place it around in Unity, right? It should be what? Gilo? What should it be? Oil drum, let's put it up here with the, I can't order it. But, let's do bring it to 0, 0, 0. Hide everything else. Actually, I don't need to do that. Let's not do that. Bring it back here. Let's just see if this works. Export FBX. Now I'm gonna make a different object. Oil drum. How do you spell? Is that how you spell oil drum? Or oil barrel, oil drum. Yeah, let's call it an oil drum. Ship, export. Now in Unity. Scenes. Ship. Now it's not going to show up because it's in a separate model, so we have to go to models, ship map, oil drum, drag it in here. There we go. Materials all messed up, so we give it the prototype material for now. I'll come back and fix it later. Oh, that's really small. But it'll have to do for now. And let's give it model generate colliders, but let's, because it's pretty simple shape, let's do a convex. Oil drum, put it under our ship map. Apply. And then now we can, duplicate it and put a bunch in here. In Unity. Yeah. Let's make a group here. Oil drums. Open prefab. Oh, I gotta apply all. Okay. We got a bunch of oil drums in here now, and I'll probably place more around later. Let's do a let's do a light build here for a second. A light map build. Why does that look so weird? I can like see through the, what the heck? I can like see through the map there. See? It's like X-ray. Cool. I can like see through the map. That's weird. It doesn't happen out here. Huh. Let's do a light map build here, so it's gonna lag for a second. There's only 13 people watching now, so I think people are starting to get bored of me modeling here, and I think I am too. We've been going for 2 hours and 20 minutes. That's pretty long. So let's make the lighting here, so warning, it's probably gonna lag for a minute here. Is it lagging? Probably. It doesn't say it's dropping frames right now. Oh yeah, it is. It's saying it's only going at 20 frames per second right now. Do some play testing so we can see more of the game. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm baking the lighting first. And it's almost done. It's at 30, 36, 30 seconds. You can see it building it here. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put those barrels as static. This guy's static. Yeah, it's a static. This stuff will look okay. Those barrels will look weird, but that's fine. Does the baked lighting taste good? It looks good, so it tastes good to the eyes, I guess. My computer doesn't like it though. It's pretty taxing. Okay, everything looks good. Way better now. Holy, there we go. Way better. I get some lights in the back here. Holy. Hey, it looks way better now. Hopefully the stream stopped lagging. Is the stream good now? Oh no, these guys need turned inside out. Calculate normals. Is the engine room done? For today. I'll add more to it. For sure. Pipes, stuff like that. But I think the big objects are good. Oh boy, that really messed up the lighting. Aw man, I just baked it. I just messed it up again. What the heck is going on here? All these things are inside out too. Ah, okay, I just broke stuff. Wait, those ones are good. This one's good. These ones are good. Okay, so I need to fix these normals are inside out. You can see like the back faces. That one's inside out, that one's inside out. That one's inside out. Make these static. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, we're gonna have to do another light bake. Let me fix these though. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Recalculate normals. Okay, let's select everything again and export it. One more time, hopefully. Export, Unity. There we go, the normals are flipped now, they're good. Right? Everything here is good, I think. Let's do one more lighting bake. Please don't kill my stream too much. So, what do you guys think of the first stream? Suggestions? Tom gives a thumbs up. I liked it. I liked it. Cool. We got 30 seconds left on the bake here. I like it. Cool, that's good to hear, because I didn't know if modeling would be interesting or not. And I kind of underestimated how much we would get done, but I think this engine room looks kind of cool. Gotta figure out what the heck this object's gonna be. I feel like I need something there to act as cover. There we go, it's pretty much done. doing its final thing here. There we go, it's done. Now let's... I'm not gonna look around because why do these look weird? Grr, these look weird, but I'm just gonna ignore it because we can't do another light bake. I'll figure that out on my own. And they're inside of these things. Pretend you didn't see that. And let's go play. Main menu, play. Let's make sure my server's running here. It is. Spawned in. At the back too, yes, we don't have to walk that far. Oh, okay. Gonna have to mess with the colliders there. Because we added this doorway, but now I can't fit through and that's not quite lined up right there, holy. Okay, well I gotta mess with that, but I can crouch for now. I think what I'll do is I'll move this staircase this way more. So there's a little bit of a hallway, a little bit like this much room of just flat ground. It's too close to the door. Okay, here we go. Here's the engine room. Here's the weird looking barrels. I gotta figure out what the heck happened with the light baking there. Am I still planning on making my short videos over your progress? Yes, definitely. No, this isn't gonna replace them. I'm still gonna make update videos. I just thought I'd do this because I don't really have time to edit another video right now, and I still wanted to kind of put something on my channel. So the last thing I uploaded was just a tutorial, which is only for certain people, right? There we go, the console's at a better height now. Gotta get a chair here, or maybe 2 chairs. Oh yeah, those rivets definitely, oh my, those rivets add to the wall a lot. I definitely need to add other stuff like pipes and stuff, and it'll definitely feel a lot more finished. I gotta get the lighting in here better because the lights are right over the engine, which takes all the light. The light's right over this middle thingy, which I might just remove, actually, but we'll see. And it's not centered. So I have to figure out what to put there. Definitely gonna throw some more barrels around. And then I think this room will be good, and then we just gotta slap the textures on it. Yep. So before we end it off here, is there anything else that you guys want to see in the game, I guess, live? For the people that weren't here at the beginning, I guess I can walk around this map a little bit more. Give myself the sniper. Hey there, retro game dev. If you just joined, we're about to end it, I think. Front of the ship here with the helipad. Let's fly up here. The field of view isn't quite popping out properly there. Yeah, anything you guys want to see? Do you want to see the valley map? Put a helicopter on the helipad? Do I think I will? Maybe. Right now it's like the spawn area, and this is where one of the flags is gonna be. Because this map is definitely gonna have the capture the flag game mode. So one flag will be here. And then on the other side of the map, I'm not sure where to put the flag, because like this area doesn't seem, it might honestly be like right here. Or I might put it actually maybe inside of here. Inside, like right here. Okay. Okay, let's go look at the valley map. Although hopefully this doesn't lag too much on the stream. slash map valley. What? Slash map valley. There we go. I didn't spell it right. There we go. I wonder what the frame rate's like. It really struggles when I record with OBS. Yeah, frames aren't that bad, or aren't that good. I need to figure out what else I can do to optimize this map. I think it's the terrain. I think it's the terrain because when I built it, I was not very smart, and I have like all this extra terrain out here, which is not being used. But the problem is there's no easy way to downscale it and get rid of all this useless part without completely remaking the terrain, so. It looks good though. You should add a ZX logo behind one of the computers. Aha, maybe like the computer lags on and shows the ZX logo if you're in the room long enough. Also, can you even notice? I wonder if you can notice the, I have ambient occlusion on. Let's go up to somewhere where I can see the ambient occlusion in effect. Do I have ambient occlusion? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I see it. It's right there. Very subtle. But, yeah, Unity 2020.2 has ambient occlusion. Which is subtle, but I think it adds a little bit extra to it. Especially with the low poly style where there's lots of these hard edges, ambient occlusion is nice to have. So yeah, hopefully eventually oh, what the? Oh, they turn invisible. Why is that? I have to look into that. That's weird. Yeah, hopefully the ship map will look as good as this one once I finish it. Working cars, question mark. Yeah, I think I might have a racing game mode. I have a car controller, right now they're just props in the map. That's sick. Yeah, I know this map looks good, but its performance issues I still gotta work on. So I've been thinking about performance with the ship map, and part of the reason why I made a map that doesn't require a terrain. Okay, so I think that's about it for today. There's still 16 people here. Thank you if you stuck all the way through 2 hours and a half. You listened to me ramble on while modeling from a default cube all the way to a decent looking engine room. This is the final product here. Let's go to ship here. This is what we have so far for the engine room in the ship map. So yeah. Thank you for joining the stream. And maybe I'll do another one. Who knows? I'm just looking at the chat. It must be quite a bit of delay because it takes like 10 seconds for you guys to talk. I'll see if I can lower that for the next one. There we go. I got the first buy. Okay. Yeah, thanks for coming out. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.